So first things first, you want to make sure that you don't have any film inside already. That's going to be displayed here. So I turn that on and then I'm going to turn it back off. Release the cartridge from the back by pressing concurrently down and up on these two buttons in the very, very back. Pinch this 645 right here to release all the way. You should have a take-up spool already included in your camera. If you do not have one, go ahead and ask a friend or go ahead and buy another new one from Amazon or eBay, wherever that might be. Displayed here is film and spool. You want to take your take-up spool from the film to the new spool portion right here and click it in place. Take your film, I'm shooting HP 5. Make sure all the paper is off. You want to load it so that the film comes across the back this way, because this is the emulsion part right here. So you're going to hold it kind of upside down and align it so that you see in the take-up spool right where you're supposed to insert the film, as far as it'll go, and go ahead and start winding it up a little bit. Okay, this is important right here. You just want to make sure that as you're winding that it's really tight, so you could even kind of like pull down while you're pulling up this way. Okay, we want to wait until we get to those lines or those arrows. Put the film back in the camera. Go ahead and open it up in the back. Make sure you pinch, place inside. When you place it inside though, make sure you can hear the click on both sides to make sure it's engaged. Right there. Close the back all the way. You can turn on the camera now and then depress the shutter halfway. And you're on frame 1.